Hey y'all, this your girl Jenny Gets Skinny, and I'm coming to you right now with a belly detox juice. Yes, let's get started. So first you want to go ahead and add your cilantro. It does not have to be a whole lot, and it does not have to be very little, just a generous amount. Then you want to cut about 4 slices of your cucumber and then cut those into 4s. After cutting your cucumber, go ahead and make sure you cut your orange in half. And y'all, excuse my cutting skills. I was trying to make sure I get this video done for you right, so just excuse that. Then you want to take your orange and squeeze as hard as you can. Try to get all of that juice. You will then do the same exact thing with your lemon. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and add in our ginger. You will need 2 teaspoons of ginger. 2 teaspoons. Now be advised, once you make this once and you see that it's a little too strong for you, you can cut some of that ginger. Now you want to go ahead and add your 1/4 cup of water. After you've added your water, you can go ahead and add in your 1/2 cup of Coca Cola. And then you will blend for your life, honey. Blend, blend, blend until you can't blend anymore. After you're done blending, you can add it to whatever desired cup you would like. I myself chose a mason jar because I am making this for tomorrow morning. The perfect consistency. Thanks, Aunt Dora, for this recipe. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys watch again. This is your girl Jenny Gets Skinny, and I'll holler at you later.